Oh, there you go.
That's basically a replica of Richard's property, huh? That's what it would look like. But
yep.
way
That
more,
well,
way more
that's
intense.
got the needles on it still. So, but yeah, I mean, yeah. This is pretty indicative of, and that's honestly, that's a pretty light pile. That's got a lot of twigs and stuff in it, not the big heavy logs. But I guarantee you, the logs have just ripped just like this. And yep, we're backing up. We're backing up. That's like, you know, 30-40 foot flame lengths. Yeah.
Yeah.
And notice, look, through a spot. It threw a spot right there.
Yeah, it sure did.
And look at how actively that spot is burning and back towards the main fire.
There's a fire whirl on the edge of it.
Oh yeah. Fire whirl.
We're gonna let this cool down or let it move away from that before you start doing that. Okay. It's just too hot. Yeah. And remember, that thing's got fuel on it. Right. So you want to keep yourself out of the heat as much as possible. Yeah. Now, what causes cedar to go up so hot like that? Oils in it, for the most part.
Very resinous wood. But yeah, that's, and I think that's like, you know, 100-hour fuels. Richard's place is just rife with, but there's the big logs too that are left in there as well, and in piles. Yeah, that's, on a day like today, yeah, that's what we would have been looking at. That's why a couple of times it's like, nope, too hot, too spicy, we're not doing this. But yeah, look how quick that's melting down.
Is he gonna get permission to bring in some machinery to do
Brad won't let him. It's a glade restoration, so no, he can't do that. No heavy equipment in the glades.
What's is there a gameplay? What's
we're gonna try it again in the fall when there's less.
Well, I mean, just try to burn it besides it is.
We're gonna have to. We have to. That's really how it's gonna be. It's gonna, it has to be that way. Unfortunately.
On the outside of the fire, let the fire burn in, put itself out. Make sense? All right.
I would widen and improve this. Turn around, come back, and just blow it like out, like this, yeah, and just widen out this line. Make it huge. There you go. I mean, you could, but yeah, I think I just tie off this piece right here and call it good. Blow it out. There you go.
Pull away from the fire.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that's good. We'll see. I mean, it spotted out ahead of itself. When this pile is going, it actually threw a spot for real. So we'll see if this holds. It could spot across. But yep, that's look at how fast that line went in.
Right. Yeah.
And look at how wide and clean that line is too. I mean, even down there in the green, if you go down there, it's a good, clean, solid line. So
If you cut together, line that good with the rake.
yes, exactly right. Especially, yep, absolutely correct.
I see why you say that's easy mode. It's too easy. People don't learn if they're just like, oh, just blow a line and it does. But it's really good. I mean,
there's your power break.
When I have company, if I'm on a forest service turn and we have a spot fire, I don't just grab my hose. I grab a leaf blower. We just blow a line around it.
Yep.
Let it burn down.
Yep.
Catch it and deal with it that way. Because when you pull a line out, now you have this line of water that gets caught up in everything. And you can only go so far. And blower, you can keep going, hook around it.
Yep.
Done.
Absolutely.